So far for this look, I've just been putting colors all over the top half of the face. This part didn't really matter because it could be whatever you want. So I just omitted filming that, and I know the brows are awful. It doesn't really matter as well because it's going to be a creative look. So it's just the bottom half of the part that I'm really going to be showing. Going in with my black Paradise paint from Mayron, I'm going to section off the parts, or the half part of the face. I got also a weird mustache. I think I'm gonna bring more blue down here. And then I'll just put a little more of that color up here. That way it's kind of like symmetric in a way. Next, going in with some red face paint. And then I'm going to go over top of that with some of the darker red cream. Then I'm going to attempt to go over and make some teeth, but attempt is the key word there. Then I'm going to go over that with some fake blood. Well, there you have it. There is the finished creepy clown look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you did. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.